Hey, what's up, everybody? We got an easy one today. I'm just changing out a battery on a KLX 230. This one is a 2023. Battery is a year old. It's losing capacity. Should be an easy fix. There's no reason to take it to a shop just to get your battery changed. Alright, put your ignition key in this little slot right here, turn it. Panel slides backwards. There's a little bungee right here. Grab it by this end. Just pull it right off. Always disconnect your negative terminal first. And the positive. Want to keep the hardware. There's 2 bolts and 2 nuts that sit inside the terminals. Should just fall right out. I'm going to take a wire brush, just brush off the terminals real quick. Make sure we have a clean connection. Now the battery model number is YTX7A-BS. Take the old hardware, slide that nut right in. Positive. Doing it backwards. Positive first. Bolt should be long enough to grab the nut sitting in there. It's a little easier. Finish it up with the 10 mil. Want it nice and snug, but you don't have to He-Man it. Try to slide the cover back over it. the bungee. Tab goes onto the left side. And the hooks come around the outside. Just like that. Cover back on, done. Catch you guys on the next video. Later.